Prepare to embark on a culinary journey through a meticulously curated selection of kitchen gadgets. In this video, we'll show you 14 kitchen gadgets on Amazon. Let's get started. Elevate your kitchen decor with AMOAMI's stylish and functional silicone drying mats. The elegant designs transform these practical mats into beautiful countertop accents that showcase your refined taste. Crafted with thick, textured, and reversible silicone, these drying pads provide excellent support and drainage for dishes, bowls, cups, and racks. The raised surface promotes airflow for faster drying while preventing items from collapsing. The reversible format allows you to quickly flip to a dry side when needed. Made of premium food-grade silicone, these waterproof mats are safe, durable, and easy to clean. The scientific drainage pattern encourages water runoff so dishes dry efficiently. These premium quarter sheet size mats measure 11.6 by 8.5 inches, perfectly fitting standard 13 by 9.5 inch pans. Crafted from flexible, 100% food-grade silicone that's BPA-free, odorless, and chemical-free, these mats ensure a healthy baking experience for you and your family. At 0.75 millimeters thickness and reinforced with fiberglass mesh, they're built to withstand temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to a sizzling 446 degrees. The true star, the non-stick surface. Kiss extra oils, butter, parchment, and foil goodbye. These reusable silicone liners release baked goods effortlessly, perfect for cookies, candies, breads, meats, veggies, and more. This luxury serving board boasts a classy design that's sure to draw compliments from family and guests alike. But the elegance doesn't stop there. Hidden within the large, sturdy bamboo cheese board lies a drawer brimming with specialty goodies. Savor the perfect pairing with the included bamboo cheese knives, labeling slates with marker, and wine opener, all conveniently stored for easy access. Crafted with a discerning eye for quality, this 100% bamboo set meets Bambusi's highest standards of expert craftsmanship and durability. The ingenious groove along the board's edge provides ample space for crackers, nuts, fruit, and more accoutrements. This versatile scale accurately measures both wet and dry ingredients down to 0.1 ounce or 1 gram increments. The portable design with built-in handle allows easy transport around the kitchen. With the simple touch of a button, seamlessly convert between ounces, pounds, fluid ounces, grams, and milliliters on the backlit LCD display. Perfect for any recipe, whether measuring by unit or by weight. The included large, removable stainless steel mixing bowl expands functionality, allowing you to measure volumes of milk, water, oil, flour, powders, and more solid foods with ease. The Fradel scale's tare function subtracts container weight for precise ingredient measurement every time. This ingenious mat keeps unsightly watermarks, coffee stains, and milk splatters at bay. Its 0.2 inches thick, special PU surface forms an impenetrable barrier, hiding even the darkest, messiest stains with ease. Say goodbye to traditional, stain-riddled coffee mats forever. Beneath the stain-resistant top lies a super-absorbent soft diatomite layer that instantly soaks up splashes and drips before they can reach your countertop. With up to 90% porosity, this quick-drying mat eliminates constant cleaning and air dries rapidly after use. No machine required. Simplify your kitchen storage with the ingenious YouCopia WrapStand. This unique caddy consolidates all your clunky wrap, foil, and sandwich bag boxes into one tidy, vertical design. 8 fully adjustable wire holders accommodate boxes up to 3.5 inches wide. Simply face the box openings outward to create a convenient wrap and baggie dispenser right on your countertop. No more rummaging through cabinets. The WrapStand's compact shape ensures easy access to all your boxes while keeping them neatly organized in one space-saving place. Setup is effortless, with no tools or installation required. Adjust the wire holders to fit your boxes, and the rack is ready to store in a lower cabinet or pantry. Make healthy eating effortless with the Farberware pump spinner with bowl. This versatile salad spinner allows you to clean and serve crisp, nutritious greens, fruits, and even berries in seconds. Its generous 6.65 quart bowl and 5.25 quart basket provide ample capacity to prep salads for the whole family. But the multi-use design doesn't stop there. The basket functions as a handy colander, while the clear plastic bowl doubles as a large mixing bowl. Engineered for ultimate convenience, one-handed operation makes rinsing and drying produce a breeze. Simply push down on the spinner mechanism to get it going, then tap the brake button when done. Streamline your kitchen cleanup with the Cisily Sink Caddy sponge holder. Its automatic drainage system with sloped design allows water to flow away effortlessly, reducing frequent cleaning and lightening your workload. Perfect for space-conscious kitchens, this compact 9.25 3.97 inches by 6.37 Caddy maximizes organization in a small footprint. Store a detergent bottle, sponge ball, sink stopper, and up to 4 brushes neatly in the upgraded brush holder. Crafted from premium rust-resistant stainless steel, the Cisily Caddy ensures long-lasting durability. Its easy rinse surface makes cleaning a breeze. Simply wash under running water to keep your caddy looking like new. Simplify your air frying experience with MUOOMU air fryer liners. These disposable parchment paper liners are made from 100% food-safe, oil-proof, waterproof, and non-stick materials that can withstand temperatures up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit without compromising food flavor. Say goodbye to endless scrubbing and soaking. These liners effectively isolate food residue, keeping your air fryer spotless and avoiding damage from repeated washing. They make cleanup effortless after baking. Using the liners couldn't be simpler. No need to tear or fold. Just remove one pre-cut 6.3-inch sheet and place it in the air fryer basket before cooking. Simplify your food freezing and storage routine with the Bangp silicone freezer trays. Each compartment features 4 handy fill lines for precise half cup, 1 cup, 125 milliliters, and 250 milliliter portions, making meal prep a breeze. With up to 4 cups of storage per tray, you can easily freeze leftovers like soups, sauces, broths, juices, smoothies, porridge, cookie dough, and more. Crafted from premium food-grade silicone that's BPA-free, flexible, and durable, these freezer trays are built to last. They're safe for use in the fridge, oven, and microwave, with only the lid being oven unsafe. Say goodbye to flimsy disposables. Bangp's extra-large silicone molds are an investment in quality. Elevate your kitchen and bathroom sinks with the Meiliweser Silicone Sink Splash Guard. This versatile splash mat is designed for the perfect fit, measuring 15 inches long, 5.5 inches wide, with a 2.5-inch aperture to accommodate most standard faucets. Crafted from premium 100% food-grade silicone, the Meiliweser Splash Guard outshines fabric alternatives in safety, durability, and ease of cleaning for long-lasting performance. Its superior quality materials provide peace of mind. The slight downward slope and unique drain twill enable effortless water drainage, ensuring your sink countertop stays dry and free from messy puddles. Wave goodbye to constant wipe downs. This professional-grade oval colander with fine mesh basket is your premium solution for a variety of cooking tasks like filtering, straining, drying, and draining. Remastered by Makerstep, it boasts an expandable and versatile design. The large over-the-sink sizing expands from 14 to 19 inches, while the stainless steel body and exquisite rubber grips boost efficiency during your culinary adventures. This masterful strainer excels at draining pasta, rinsing foods, fruits and veggies, quickly drying dishes, filtering, sifting, and more, washing and cooking needs. The rust-proof fine mesh and frame bottom with feet ensure efficient straining and drying every time. Say goodbye to stoves and boilers. This microwavable cookware is all you need to whip up a delicious bowl of your favorite ramen. Less stress, more convenience. Enjoy hassle-free cooking at its finest. Just place your instant ramen in the container and let the microwave do all the work for you. It's that easy. Have leftover ramen in the fridge? No need to worry about wasting it. This rapid cooker is perfect for quickly and easily reheating those tasty leftovers to perfection. With a completely dishwasher-safe design, cleanup is an absolute breeze. Don't have the time or energy for dishes? This tool has you covered with effortless cleaning after your quick meal. This ultimate collection equips you with every blade you need to slice, dice, and serve like a pro chef. From the essential chef's knife to bread, carving, utility, paring, cheese, and pizza knives, you're covered. 6 steak knives ensure perfect cuts at the table, while the 2-stage sharpener keeps your edges razor sharp. Scissors and a sleek knife stand complete the stylish set. Crafted with superior high-carbon stainless steel blades in a 30CR13 composition, each LUCENTEE knife delivers professional-grade performance. The non-stick coating and ergonomic handles provide a secure, comfortable grip, and the rust, stain, and pit-resistant design ensures long-lasting durability.